Hi everyone and welcome to this video, and as you may be aware by the title, I am going to be harvesting my new potatoes. Now I'm harvesting them really about 2 weeks early, gloves ready, and the reason for that is they caught some blight, but hopefully I removed all the plant, the foliage quite quickly, and the potatoes should be fine, so I'll soon see if there's any that's not fine. So I'm just going to tip them up and see what we can get. So let's get over there. Okay, on to bucket number one. I'm just going to tip them out. Let's see what we've got. There's one. Two. Three. Four. So I'll show you them all at the end. So on to bucket number two. If you can see this, there won't be nothing at the top. This is where the foliage was. Oh, there we go, look. There's one. Two, and they seem fine. Okay, so really all three containers are now empty, and that, believe it or not, is out of all three. There's about 12 potatoes there, and some are very, very small, so it's a bit of a disappointing crop. But what are there? None of them were affected by the blight, and they seem nice and healthy, so there's enough for one meal. I mean, that's the first potatoes I've ever produced, so it's not a lot, it's not very good for 3 containers, but I'm quite pleased I've got a meal out of it, because it could have been worse. It could have been none, or they could have been got at by the blight really, but anyway, at least I've had a meal, and I've enjoyed the experience as well, looking after them. And so that is my new first Earlies new potatoes harvest. Just before you go, I'm going to have these tomorrow. I'll let them dry a bit now, and I'll have them, what was I going to have? 2 pork chops, new potatoes, bit of butter on them, and some other veg, and then all covered with gravy. Beautiful.